welcome to another video of Sea Trappies. You miss me? I missed you guys. Look, today we are here in Istanbul under the second bridge. Can you show the second bridge? And this house, it is Zeki Pasha house. This is the most expensive house in Istanbul. It is right directly by the Bosphorus, and come back to me. I want you to tell you the price of this house in 2024. It is $125 million worth of property. It's amazing. The view, the building, oh my god, it's so cool. This side, of course, now there is buildings, but later on we will walk. There are also kind of a cliff and forest on the cliff. This is very nice.
Ayıp ediyorsun ama yapıyor.
Should I ring the bell? This house is just by the Bosphorus. The face of this building, we cannot see it from this side, but if you take the Bosphorus tour, you can see it when you're passing it. But we are going to see the Bosphorus from one area that you can see the view of this wonderful building. Let's go. Luxury area in Istanbul, and all these houses on this side, they are by the Bosphorus. They call it in Turkish yali. It means by the water, and they are the most expensive neighborhood and houses per square meter. Look at that. is the god of the water. I don't remember the name of the Latin name. And especially on this street, as you can see it, the architecture of classical and traditional combined with the modernity and also the nature ambience of the area is very special and different from other areas in Istanbul. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the videos first. Second, that one is my favorite one because one side it is to the cliffs and forest, and the view is full Bosphorus. By the way, today I wasn't planning to take video, but I came here, I got amazed, and I started to shooting the video. Just wanted to share the moments with you guys. Something else, if you want to come here and you don't have a car, you can please, you can use the public transportation from Beşiktaş. There are direct buses to here. Now let me take you somewhere amazing. Come. Are you ready? Ta-da! This is the second bridge, Fatih Sultan Mehmet, and here, this side, the houses that we passed, their garden is actually by the sea, so that's why they call them yali in Turkish. And this side, there are full of cafes and restaurants, so you can come and enjoy your time watching this view. By the way, I'm gonna take some videos from the ships that they are passing the Bosphorus for a while, and then we are going to have a cup of tea and enjoying this view from this cafe.